Hi there, my name is Jenny Penton, founder of Planner Perfect, and in today's video, it is the May Planner and Journal subscription box reveal by Planner Perfect. Let's go. Hi girls, welcome back. I know everyone's always looking forward to getting a sneak peek of the subscription box. In this box in particular, I'm only giving you a sneak peek of the artwork on the planner and the journal. The rest is going to be a surprise. So to give you kind of a little bit of a background before you fast forward to the box, I'm going to give you a little bit of a background of why I painted what I painted. Of course, I'm going to be thinking of spring and things like that. So that was, of course, something that I was thinking about when I was painting. This artwork was done in acrylic and then one in watercolor. And one of them in particular, I really wanted to paint off of scripture on, that God would open up your eyes, okay? That he would open up my eyes to wondrous things. Let's go ahead and take a look of what I did, what I painted with that and those things in mind to keep you inspired, to keep you writing a better story, and to be in the driver's seat of your life. Let me turn you around and show you the artwork for May. Okay, girls, here we are in the Planner Perfect subscription box. If you're new, you have until today to get in on this subscription box. It is supposed to be a secret reveal, anyway, a secret box, but just know that this is a reveal for those who want to see it ahead of time, and know that everyone's going to not know what the accessories are going to be, such as the washi, the stickers, and the tip-ins, which are all my artwork in watercolor. Sometimes the washi is some graphics that I've chose, but everything else is my artwork. So let's go ahead and get started into this box and take a look-see of what you'll be planning in and journaling in for the month of May. Okay, so it comes with a little bit of crinkle paper, and then you've got this canvas cover to keep the artwork and the books in perfect condition during shipment. My dogs are wrestling right by me, so that's super cool. Okay, so here we are, girls. Let me just show you in detail. Okay, so here we go. We've got the May planner, okay? This is a May basket, okay? This is a May basket. And guess what? I had asked on my Instagram on what some women ideas of what they wanted me to paint for May, and one of them was a May basket, and I was like, yes, it's what I'm doing. I did tulips because they're gorgeous. It's one of my favorite flowers, so I painted them. This is actually a combination of acrylic and watercolor. Sometimes I'll do that, so that is what you're seeing here. And girls, I really hope that you love it. Of course, as always, write a better story. You've got your May calendar, and you've got goal pages, and then you're going to have your weeks in here. So, and then you're going to have your pages to be able to script your life, and you need the room, and you script your life according to your goals and plans and your vision. Okay? So here we go for the May. Let's talk about this journal for a minute, which I really encourage you girls to be journaling all of the time, and be looking out for another video that I have that's going to be talking about ways you can incorporate your journal every single morning, because you should be doing it to improve your life, okay? So open my eyes that I may see wondrous things. I'm going to put the scripture down below. I think it's Psalm 119:18, but wondrous things of your law. So open my eyes. I tell you, girls, when you open your eyes and you see the wondrous things that God's already done, your whole world opens up. It is all about what's in your mind, what's in your head, your limited beliefs, your identity, Who are you? Your identity. You've got, whenever you're limited in any area of your life, it's because you don't know who you are. It's because you have lost your identity. You need to open up your eyes so that you can see what what Jesus has done for you, girls. You need to understand. Even Satan is already defeated. So we don't need to be feeling as though we are defeated, because we're not. We need to learn to open our eyes, and that's exactly what I painted in mine. Now, note this too, that when you order from Planner Perfect, you can choose between dot grid, blank, or graph pages, and I always do the dot grid. And man, I just every morning start getting in here and writing, and I'll share that in another video. But girls, I hope that you love her. Let's show the back. I didn't do the back. Tulips. Look at that. I love it. I always make sure that they all go together. I hope you're inspired in May, like I hope you are every single month, because when I paint these for us women, that we are inspired by beauty, inspired by our vision, and inspired by who we are. Okay? And I want that in your forefront, to know who you are, and that to ask God to just reveal himself, to open your eyes so that you can be all that he created you to be. Get signed in on this box if you hadn't already. I hope that you find this box to be inspirational, and that everything you'd want for the subscription box. Until next time, girls.